Orion. You need to meet Orion, and this has been developed by the Center of Excellence at the Galgotias University.
Following backlash, Galgotias University has been instructed to clear its booth on Wednesday at the India AI Impact Summit in New Delhi. The controversy started after the university showcased a robotic dog at the event, claiming that it was created by its Center of Excellence. Internet users soon pointed out that the machine matched the Unitree Go-To built by a Chinese firm. While speaking to Doordarshan, a representative of the university, Neha Singh, said that the quadruped robot under the name Orion is developed in their campus.
Orion. You need to meet Orion, and this has been developed by the Center of Excellence at the Galgotias University.
The claim caused major embarrassment as internet users and several media outlets that covered Chinese and Eurasian news slammed the AI exhibit from the Galgotias University, calling it a sham. They underlined that the university was showcasing Unitree Go-To, which is a ready-made robotic dog manufactured by the Chinese firm Unitree Robotics. Basically, the university presented an imported technology as a homegrown product. Later, the university issued a clarification on X, stating that the robotic dog had been acquired from Unitree and was being used solely for academic purposes. The institution maintained that it had not claimed to have manufactured the robot, even though statements made by the staff at the event suggested otherwise. Speaking to media persons, Singh provided a bizarre explanation after facing backlash.
कि शायद मैंने बहुत clearly उसको express नहीं किया because it was all done with a lot of energy and with lot of enthusiasm. एक बहुत important बात है कि उस रोबो डॉग पे उसकी ब्रांडिंग ऊपर ही है, हमने वो ब्रांडिंग चेंज नहीं की, तो हम कैसे क्लेम कर सकते हैं कि ये हमने मैन्युफैक्चर किया है? ये एक चीज है जो मैंने सबको बोला कि ये हम अपने बच्चों को इससे इंट्रोड्यूस कराया है to produce something better of their own.
This is not all. The university also claimed that they have built a soccer drone from scratch.
Soccer ball.
Yeah, these are the drone soccer balls.
Okay, what do they do?
So they basically, from the end-to-end engineering to the application, we have a simulation lab to an application arena, and that's India's first soccer arena on campus. You can play games.
Like the robot, social media users pointed out that the drone is also a commercially available model known as Striker V3 ARF. News agency PTI reported that power has been cut off at the pavilion of the university at the AI Summit after it was asked to vacate the expo.
ये बैरिकेड लगा रहे हैं जी, बंद करने के लिए जी। गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी।